Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video you can insert a micro SD card at the Huawei Mate 20 Lite. So first of all we need next to the phone the pin, and the pin is part of the box. Otherwise you could also the edge of a paper clip. So with the edge of that pin or the paper clip you enter the small hole in here on the side of the phone. It is for the SIM tray. Press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. So on the first position you will have this SIM card, and for the second position you can decide for a second SIM card or a micro SD card. If you want to use a micro SD card, so you cannot use a second SIM card. So put the micro SD card like this. The contacts are below. And that construction you put just back on the phone, and that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question, and maybe if you want you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created some other videos if you're interested in. Would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure. And maybe until next time. Ciao.